My phone's camera mode has been shifted to cinematic mode by mistake, and sorry if the video is blurry in certain sections in the beginning. Sorry about that. Today we will learn how to draw a character. Character art is drawing characters that is used in media such as gaming, animation, cartoons, etc. While drawing a character, you have to keep in mind what will be the age group of the character, the personality, hairstyle, and what kind of clothes your character is going to wear. Have a rough idea of all these things in your mind before you start sketching. I started designing this character after I had clicked a picture of Hershey's chocolate that I had with me. I just laid it out on the floor and clicked a picture. So I liked this picture and I thought of making a character which is jumping on top of these chocolates. So to make a character jump, first try and analyze various figures and learn. Study various poses of kids, adults, so that you understand how the body moves, how do you jump, where do you keep your hand, how your leg moves while jumping, what are your facial expressions, how you want your character to be, happy, sad, etc. So once you have the background ready and have a rough idea of what you want to draw, start making rough lines. Start just sketching rough lines in Procreate or whichever app that you're using. Right now I'm using Procreate, so I'm drawing on that. Start making the final design on a new layer and start draping clothes on that character that you have in mind. Right now I am draping t-shirts and shorts so that it's easier for a character to jump. That is how I visualized, and of course a pair of sneakers with that. For the facial features, I wanted my character to look happy, elated, excited, like a kid who's jumping around from here and there. So that is what I wanted to bring into my character while drawing that. And for the hair, I wanted a tied bun which looks cute on a kid. So yeah, I gave her 2 buns. And once your designing is complete, just final outline everything on a new layer and start coloring. I usually start coloring by the skin. That is what I prefer. You can start coloring hair, outfits, whichever you are comfortable with. Thumb rule for coloring the skin: use a lighter color and a darker color and the base skin color, and just blend these 3 seamlessly to have a nice skin tone. I usually move to the hair after coloring the skin. So again, for the hair, same rule applies. Use a base color, whichever you want. I usually go for a dark brown color. I rarely use black for hair color, as I think it draws too much attention to the hair than to the entire character. So I avoid black. Again, for hair, use like a darker tone, a middle tone, and just blend it and draw strokes for hair in whichever direction you're making, like for the bun or for the puffiness around the scalp. Just draw fine little strokes. And then of course blending is the key point. If you're digitally painting or you're hand painting with poster colors, watercolor, blending is a very important point whenever you're coloring. The most tricky part for me in a character design is always drawing the features or coloring the features, because that is what breaks your entire look. If your features look ugly, you have killed the entire character there. Usually I take a lot of time while coloring the feature or drawing the features, because I make too many mistakes and I'm still learning how to do it. I erase and redo the entire eyes and lips if I'm not happy with the product, because that is how you learn, by practicing. The more you practice, the more you become good at it. Also keep watching reference videos of how to color eyes, face, features to get a better understanding, and just keep practicing every day. Coming to the last step of coloring the sneakers, I thought I'll paint it like a usual Converse sneakers. So I just went for a white sole, white everything, and like a military green footwear. After I finished coloring the entire character, I really loved how it turned out to be. And I hope you like it too. And I hope you get to learn something from this video which will help you enhance your drawing skills or coloring skills. Thank you so much.